Artificial intelligence, AI, agents have transformed the way we interact with technology. In this presentation, we will explore the evolution of AI agents, with a focus on their development, workflows, and implications for the future. Today, we will start with an introduction to AI agents and their definitions. Next, we will discuss large language models, LLMs, and their significance. We will then look into AI workflows, the limitations they face, and explore AI agents in detail, including examples. Finally, we will compare different levels of AI and wrap up with key takeaways. AI agents are computer systems designed to perform tasks in environments that require intelligent decision-making. They can learn from data, adapt to new circumstances, and execute complex actions, making them essential to numerous applications. AI agents are entities that perceive their environment through sensors, reason about the information they collect, and take action using actuators. They exhibit intelligent behavior by learning from experience and adapting to changes. AI agents are entities that perceive their environment through sensors, reason about the information they collect, and take action using actuators. They exhibit intelligent behavior by learning from experience and adapting to changes. Large language models have emerged as a revolutionary advancement in natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and generate human-like text. LLMs like GPT-3 are trained on vast datasets to understand context, syntax, and semantics. They generate coherent responses and complete tasks such as translation, summarization, and more, making them powerful tools in AI. AI workflows involve a series of steps that AI systems follow to process data and deliver outputs. Understanding these workflows is crucial for developing effective AI applications. An AI workflow typically includes data collection, pre-processing, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Each step is vital for ensuring the accuracy and efficiency of AI systems. Despite their advantages, AI workflows can face limitations such as data quality issues, computational constraints, and biases in training data, which can impact the performance of AI agents. AI agents build upon the foundations of LLMs and AI workflows, demonstrating advanced capabilities in real-world applications, from virtual assistants to autonomous systems. AI agents leverage LLMs and structured workflows to execute tasks autonomously. They can communicate, reason, and act upon complex scenarios, enabling them to function effectively in dynamic environments. Examples of AI agents include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots that provide customer support, and autonomous vehicles that navigate and make decisions in real time. Visualizing the different levels of AI can help in understanding how they interact with each other and the overall structure of AI systems. This visualization highlights the progression from LLMs to AI agents. In comparing the levels of AI, we see that each level builds upon the previous one. LLMs serve as the foundation for AI workflows, which in turn enable advanced AI agents capable of sophisticated tasks. In conclusion, understanding the evolution of AI agents is essential for harnessing their potential. From LLMs to complex AI workflows, each component plays a role in shaping the future of AI technology.